Did you know that our solar system is just one tiny speck in a vast cosmic city of stars? Imagine standing on a hilltop on a clear night, looking up at the sky. What you see is just a fraction of the universe. Our solar system, with its planets and the sun, is part of something much larger and more magnificent. This city is our galaxy, the Milky Way. It's a colossal collection of stars, gas, and dust bound together by gravity. The Milky Way is home to billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own system of planets. It's a place of endless wonder and mystery. We can see it as a band of light across the night sky. This band is actually the combined light of millions of stars that are too far away to be seen individually. When you gaze at this band, you're looking at the plane of our galaxy, where most of its mass lies. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, shaped like a giant pinwheel with arms swirling out from the center. These spiral arms are regions where new stars are born, glowing brightly with the light of young, hot stars. The center of the Milky Way, known as the galactic core, is densely packed with stars, and is home to a supermassive black hole. The Milky Way is incredibly vast. It's a barred spiral galaxy, one of billions in the universe, and it contains over 200 billion stars. It measures about 100,000 light-years across. To put that into perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 100,000 years to cross from one end to the other. A light-year is the distance light travels in a year. Light travels at an astonishing speed of about 299,792 kilometers per second, or roughly 186,282 miles per second. This means light from a star at one edge of our galaxy takes 100,000 years to reach the other side. Imagine the vastness and the timescales involved. Our solar system is located about halfway out from the center. This places us in one of the galaxy's spiral arms, known as the Orion Arm. From our vantage point, we can observe the dense star fields and the intricate structure of our galactic home. Astronomers estimate the Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Each one of these stars is a massive, glowing sphere of hot gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion in its core. That's a number so big it's hard to imagine. To put it into perspective, let's consider something more tangible. To understand how many stars that is, imagine all the grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Each tiny grain represents a star in the Milky Way. Now imagine multiplying that number many times over. The sheer quantity is almost beyond human comprehension. There are more stars in the Milky Way than grains of sand on our entire planet. This comparison helps us grasp the vastness of our galaxy, a small part of the universe. When we look up at the night sky, we are seeing just a tiny fraction of these stars. Most are too distant to be seen without a telescope, yet each star has its own story, its own history, and potentially its own planetary system. The Milky Way is a cosmic ocean, teeming with possibilities and mysteries waiting to be explored. Section 4. A universe of galaxies. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a collection of stars, gas, dust, and planets. Some galaxies are bigger than ours, some are smaller. They come in different shapes and sizes. Our universe is a truly massive and diverse place. Section 5. Andromeda, our galactic neighbor. The Andromeda Galaxy is our closest major galactic neighbor. It's a spiral galaxy, even larger than the Milky Way. We can even see Andromeda with the naked eye on a clear night. Don't worry though, it won't collide with our galaxy for another few billion years. Section 6. The unending cosmos. Thinking about the Milky Way and the universe beyond fills us with awe. The vastness of space is almost impossible to grasp. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. We are just beginning to understand our place in this grand cosmic dance.